Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can easily start your own C corporation in California. So the first thing that you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own C corporation. And sorry for my voice, but I just ate a smoothie bowl which was cold and I don't have a voice right now, so hey, it's better now. So here you want to click simply start my business. Incfile is one of the best companies I believe that there is going to help us start our own C corporation in California. So here you're gonna have LLC here and you want to change it to C corporation, and then you want to find California. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna have options here, right? So you can simply have silver, gold, or platinum. With the silver, it's only going to cost you $5, where you're going to have the free registered agent service, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling articles. But with the gold package, you're going to have also the IRS form, corporation bylaws, banking resolution. So all the good stuff you're going to have in the gold package, so you don't have to solve a lot of administration by yourself. So I would recommend going with the gold, but it's completely up to which one you're going to choose. So I'm going to choose the gold package here. The platinum is also fine because you're going to have the expedited filling there, but when you're going to choose the gold, you can upgrade to platinum later in the video. So first name, last name, and now I'm going to add an email address and a phone number. So I will add a phone number here and then street address here, city, and California, and then you're gonna have also zip code here. Now when you're gonna click, you can click next here and you're gonna have suggested or entered. So I'll click here suggested, and then you can have option to have 18 business days filling time or 8 weeks filling time. So you can simply choose which one you want. You can go with 8 business days and then simply click next here. And now we're gonna have it. You can have the C corporation name here. So you can have, let's say I'm going to Marcus Marketing, and designator it's going to be, let's say, corporation. And number of directors and owners, I'm going to like, let's say 1. You can have multiple owners if you want. And business purpose, that's like purpose of my business. I will go marketing service for small business owners. And then you're gonna have the corporate stock information. So I'll write here number of shares 1000. Share per value 0.05, and how many shareholders you're gonna have. Then you're gonna have the company address information here, so you can simply have a professional business address that you would maintain privacy by using commercial address, or you can use your own address and add the address here and then click next here. Oh, we forgot to add an industry, so it's going to add a marketing and marketing consulting services. Now I will simply click next here. And then I'm going to find a premium service package here. So what you can do, you can easily upgrade to premium and have 25 high quality legal documents and domain name, business email address. So that's all what you can have. Or you can click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity if you want to. Now we're going to go further and you're going to add directors here. So I'm going to first director. If you can have multiple directors, you have to add it right here. And then select president, secretary, treasurer, and vice president. Then you're going to click next. Then you have to add shareholders here. So this is the first shareholder and number of shares, and then a second shareholder, and again number of shares. How many the shareholder is going to have shares, and then you would click next here. Registered agent information. So I would recommend having a registered agent service with Incfile, so they will cover everything for you, and all the important stuff you will have with Incfile directly. So you can assign Incfile as my registered agent service for free for the first year, or you can act as your own. Then you would click next here, and then you can have the tax identification number. So you can simply add a name here and your own SSN number here. So this is something that Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the employer identification number. And when you will have it, you will simply add a street address here and then press next. Then you're going to find a setting up small business account. So here you're going to have open your new account over the phone. Yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time, that's completely up to you. And then you would click next here again. So you're going to have the tax strategy free consultation where you will learn how to reduce the chance for an IRS audit, how to reduce the self-employment taxes, how your corporation is taxed. All of that you will learn. And you can click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation completely for free, and click next again here. That's something that I heavily recommend. Then you see right here that we identified 2 licenses for a consulting business in California. So here, with licenses, again, I would recommend having it by Incfile to show it for you. Of course, you can do the work by yourself, but they have the licensing specialist team that will help you with everything. And you will understand like everything, how it happens. And then I would click yes, identify, and use the company address. And then I would click next again here. And then you're going to have the review order with contact info, formation, agent, company, director, all the important things here that you would have all the review. And you would click next again. And then you're going to have the last step is the billing information where you would add first name, last name, street address, card number. And these are all the things last to do, and that's pretty much it. So you would fill this out and then you're good to go. And this is how you can easily start your own C corporation in California. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And this is pretty much it, how you can do it. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.